what's good with it, YouTube? It's your boy Chaotic Kicks, man, and I'm back with another Funko Pop video for y'all, man. But this time, bro, it's a real personal collection of mine, man. These here are the ones that really capture my heart, you feel me, real talk. But first we're gonna start with the Michael Jordan. As we all know, May 22nd, man, the bronze Funko Pop dropped on the Foot Locker app, and I was unsuccessful at getting that thing, man. I seen a couple of people down my Instagram timeline, bro. They was able to cop, and congratulations to them, you did. And with all being said, I'm gonna just go over what I got, and hopefully one day I can add that bronze to my collection, you know what I'm saying? But we're gonna start with number 54, the Michael Jordan 54. In this one, he is wearing the retro 3s that look like the white cements, and he also look like he's about to slam dunk the ball in the goal, man. And he does has on the red jersey with the 23 on it. I'm glad to add this one to the collection. And also, I won this in a giveaway from my homeboy, my brother, Top's World. Y'all go ahead and sub up to Top's World, man. And I'm glad that I was able to add this to my collection, man. You know what I'm saying? Because I was missing this one, you dig? But moving on, we got number 55 right here. Another one that I almost missed out on, you know what I'm saying? But I was lucky because my homeboy IBA Sneakerheads, y'all can follow him on Instagram at IBA Sneakerheads, you heard? And he was able to cop a couple of these, man, and I got in touch with him and I was able to secure me one from him. And I appreciate that coming through. And in this one here, he is rocking the Karen cords on his feet, man. And it looked like he's dribbling the basketball on this one here. So I'm glad to have this one in the collection as well. As we move on to number 56, you know he got on those Chicago ones, man. And if I'd have hit off of them, if I'd have hit for them darn SB Lakers joints, I'd have had me a pair of Chicago's yesterday. But I take L's all the time, so I ain't tripping, man. It is what it is. But yeah, man. And this one, he's holding the ball to his side, and he does has on the red Chicago jersey like he has in number 54, man. But I'm glad I'm to add all these to my collection, and hopefully I can get the bronze here soon. You know what I'm saying? As we move on, y'all should know I got 2 of the Michael Jackson Funko Pops, man. And hopefully I can add the other 3. But I'm sitting here with the I'm Bad one and also the Beat It one, man. And bruh, I'm glad to add these 2 to my collection, man. I can't wait to get the other 3 because I do want the whole set. You know what I'm saying? Because, man, everybody know if you like Michael Jackson, and if you grew up around my era, we all sat here and watched the movie The Jackson 5, man. Shout out to Joe Jackson for putting his kids through what he put them through, because he drove them people to stardom, man. He made them kids stars, you know what I'm saying? But we need more of that in this community, to be honest with you. You know, more fathers stepping up and being real fathers, you know what I'm saying, to their kids, man. But other than that, man, I'm gonna move on. I appreciate that. I'm sitting here with the Pikachu. I have Sweet Days Are Here and One Lucky Day. I am missing a couple of these also that I look to be adding to my collection. But man, I just wanted to give y'all a little brief detail, bro, of what I got going on with these Funko Pops. Man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. But if you're new to the channel, man, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time that I drop a video. And also, man, I want y'all to go ahead and not forget, I do have a giveaway going on, man. Once I hit 500 subs on my channel, man. When I hit that, my homeboy Unbreakable Kicks will be picking the winner. And in order to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is be subbed up to all of us on YouTube, and also be following us on Instagram. You know what I'm saying? And I'll leave the names at the bottom this time in the description. That way you know exactly who I'm talking about in this giveaway. And when you're done, all you have to do is comment "done" underneath this this video, not post, this video. And we'll go from there, man. You know what I'm saying? So good luck to all the people who participate. And I'll see you on the next one. I'm out. Peace.